Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you an easy traditional Christmas fruitcake recipe. Although the recommended maturing time is 3 months, you can shorten this process up to 1 month. Stay to the end of the video for a sneaky surprise. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 750 grams of fruitcake mix, 125 grams of pitted dates, 125 milliliter brandy, 100 grams of pecans, and 200 grams of glazed cherries. Chop the pecans and dates and split the cherries in half. Mix everything together and cover with brandy. Cover it with Glad wrap and let it rest overnight. You will need the following: the mixed fruit from the previous day, 2 cups of cake wheat flour, 200 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams butter, 3 milliliter fine nutmeg, 15 milliliter smooth apricot jam, 5 milliliter mixed spices, 5 eggs, 5 milliliter fine ginger, 3 milliliter fine cinnamon, 3 milliliter bicarbonate of soda, 1 milliliter salt, and 2 milliliter of fine cloves. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius and prepare your cake pan with baking paper. Mix the sugar and butter. Add the eggs one by one. Add the mixed fruit. Sift in all the dry ingredients and mix. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pan and flatten. Bake for 2.5 hours. Let the cake cool down. Cover the cake with half a cup of brandy. The brandy is to ensure a moist and flavorful cake. At the end, only the flavor of the brandy will remain. Make sure that you cover all the sides with brandy. Wrap the cake with cling wrap and cover it with another layer at a 90-degree angle to ensure it's properly sealed. Store it in a plastic airtight container. Cover it with another half a cup of brandy. This step is to be repeated twice because it ensures a moist cake that is packed with flavor. Today is finally here. It's been 3 months since we baked the fruitcake. We've treated it twice with brandy. I can't wait to see what happened. Let's have a look. You will notice the cake is dark and moist. I wish you could smell this. All that's left of the brandy is the incredible flavors. now for the sneaky surprise. I like to eat my fruitcake with brie. Once you eat it this way, you will never eat it without it again. I like to use a local cheese, but you can use your favorite. Now for the taste test. You won't believe what creamy texture the brie gives a fruitcake. It changes the flavor completely. I really hope you try this and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.